took the sander, sanded down the last bit. Now it's time to apply some paint. Going with more of a coastal color. I think it's going to need a second coat because of the brown underneath it. So I'll do one coat tonight and another coat tomorrow before we put in our vanity. This will take more than one coat of paint, but first coat is done and onto it. Sleep and a new day tomorrow to get more done. Last night we painted one coat. We're gonna have to do another coat, and the electrician came in today and hung this. So after he left, then I was able to another coat of joint compound up here. I will probably need to do another coat beyond that. And then this light just kind of slides back up in, but I have a little toilet paper roll to kind of just hold it in place while it's hanging down while that's drying. We're pretty excited about this light. It has 3 settings, so it looks like a skylight, especially once it's up in. And then, but you can turn it off, turn it back on, it does another setting, turn it off, turn it back on, and it does just the skylight. So you can cycle through 3 different settings. Very excited about this. Our electrician also put in a new fan for us, and then a new light right here, a pocket light. There was one that was sticking down into the space. So, and our fan wasn't working. We're gonna do a second coat of paint and then hopefully get our vanity in tomorrow. To make some extra holes on the back. One of the water lines is going to have to come in on this side of here. So we're going to have to take the drawers out anytime that we need to use that shutoff, because it's going to come in right there. And then this hole needs to be expanded right out to there. And that'll allow this to all line up correctly.
Or you got it. Okay, and this is where I need you to tell me.
Yep. Yep, right on the edge.
Is it perfect?
Yep.
Okay. This is the top one. Let's check the top one. Where my line is.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go do that.
Yep.
Are you over the top? Can you see it? Happy with that?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Not recommended. What do you gotta do? You gotta do what you gotta do. Limited tools. Let's hope we measured it right. Oh, I have those drawers. I should have done that a long time ago.
Right.
Wait. It's
Water coming through.
yeah, that's fine. It's just little drips. Oh, there's a lot of water coming through. Alright. Ooh, now it's gotta come this way first. We're gonna kind of have to lift it up over that a little bit.
Okay.
I think it's not sitting on it, I don't think.
No.
Okay. Let's go this way. We can go this way a little bit more if we want to. That's probably about as far as it's gonna go towards me.
Right, it might just fit. There we have it. So, cold line is coming through from the side. There.
Doorknob. I want to go up or something. I gotta get my fingers.
Yeah, I'll let you get your out.
So I think it can definitely come this way. Like you can
Yeah,
go.
I think it's farther over this side. I think that-
Are you gonna have to? You just wet sand, right? Because I was
Yeah.
just thinking about
Yeah, it'll just do it.
going down on this.
And I don't have to do as much this next time. So now we're putting our mirror in and we flip this around. We measured it out. We got 2 marks where we're gonna put the anchors to put our mirror. Also clay installed. A faucet, woohoo! And the drawers are in. We have anchors. Where are the anchors?
They're not hitting anything. What came with some?
105 pounds. We're gonna use 2 of them. It's not gonna be holding 200 pounds. But we wanted to do good anchors for this one.
Did you already use those anchors?
No, I used less powerful ones. Mine were only 50 power ankles, what I used earlier. We're gonna use the screws that came with it.
Yeah, because as far as I know, we don't have anything better. I think we can,
How far out do you think?
Quite well, they're long, so those brackets stick out a long ways. How long are they? Can I see?
Yeah, but they don't start going in till a little ways in, so.
Yeah, these might not be long enough.
Okay.
But no, okay, go for it. I could be wrong. I think I'm thinking about this wrong. It's okay. It'll be fine. You can probably put them in a couple more turns. I was thinking that the space on the other side of the bracket was a factor, but it's not.
Let's try.
I can't see anything over here. So.
Alright, you are close.
Higher or lower?
Can't see anymore. I think we're about right. It's just a matter of moving it around to get it to go in, right?
I think I might be. I think I might be.
I think yours is.
Yeah.
They're both in?
I think so.
Yeah. That.
How much you agree that's on?
Yep.
64 1/4. You guess that towel helped you keep them 32 and 8 apart.
They're, really? I was just by.
32 1/8 and 64 1/4.
Well.
Okay, so what do I have to do?
So I use this towel to kind of just guide the height. And we marked it 2 spots. Now we're going to figure out center. This one does come with a template if we want to cut it out.
The center of the holes are 7/8 inches apart. So
And I
we're gonna,
want the same distance from here and as the same distance from here. So what is?
I don't know. The whole
Whole distance
is
is
33.
33 1/4. So 34 3.
You're 4 1/4 here. And just keep things simple. So go that way to about 4 1/2, and that's 4 1/2, and those are going to be pretty close. Okay, now you want to come back this way a little more. Right there. That's 4 1/2. That's not going to be 4 1/2.
No. 4 3/4.
5/8 probably, right? I don't know. That's 3/4. I think you want it to be a 5/8.
5/8.
That's pretty close. And
Yeah.
you're not going to get much closer.
Right. Okay.
We're not that precise
Right,
with
that's
our
good.
work. So I don't know how far off the edge these go. Can you? It's the top one, right?
Top one, yeah.
Yeah, I should put the level on those. I think that they're off though. I think it's something different. We're gonna go with the top holes, and that's set. And then so this top one and this top one. Probably should draw a line once you have a level. Whoop. Good.
Moving,
Good.
yeah.
Now let's do that with the other one. So you're putting anchors. So you're drilling holes. What is that?
Yeah, I think so. Right? Like this one came with anchors.
And we maybe hit studs over here. Do you want to do this? Am I doing this?
We can do it.
This is a stud.
There's
So
a
you
stud.
don't need an anchor there.
Okay.
Right. So, like that one went right through.
These were rated at 50 pounds, I think.
These are this right distance apart.
Let's hope. There's a little room for adjustment anyways, right?
I mean, I guess.
You want it to be like resting on the, no, that won't work.
Well,
That doesn't work.
ideally we'd have a level long enough. Maybe we'd have one of those long pieces of wood.
These are long screws. I think the drill would be nice.
Very good.
I had the wrong side of my hand because you want to make sure that this is on the bottom. You don't really want it to show on the top. That's the part with the Allen wrench.
Wait, don't put that on yet. We're gonna check level before you put those on. I would say put this one on before, because then we can still adjust it. So just put the top one in, or the bottom one. How did the
The
holes?
bottom one was actually the
So
one
whichever one it will rest on
Rest
most
on.
reliable. Let's do that. And then just see how close we are. Is that too slow? It will go into the wood. It's going to get hard, isn't it? You feel it biting?
Yep. Definitely biting.
And maybe just put the other one in loosely to keep it from falling over, and then we'll go from there. Because this one will be easier to adjust. Level.
Here.
Looks like it goes downhill, then I mean, that's just from where I'm standing. What needs to happen?
Let this go up just a little bit,
I
right?
don't know if we can go up.
Okay.
Okay.
Like
Yeah,
right
that's
there.
good. Just lock it down. That one you can't really over tighten because it's like these. Be careful. It's good that one of them. I mean, well, that should mean the other one is too.
Right.
So we'll have to. You get one. What
Where's
you
the
gonna
Allen?
do? You can put one and then
Yeah, and then
the
put
bar and then
in.
the other one.
Yeah.
Could, it will just come loose if you don't get it. I can still turn it.
I think
Okay.
this one might need to. Oh no, it's gonna work. Okay.
No, it didn't go on.
It didn't go.
No, it has to be. It cannot be
Okay.
sticking out at all. I see. Because that's what happened over here. Even when the little nub was up, it wouldn't even go on. Right. That might have been what happened to you
Right.
before. Okay, I got this. This is going to be going in, right? And then- Good?
Yep. These aren't plastered in.
It's probably a bad idea.
Alright, now we're gonna repeat that and I'll show you the results after. Now I'm going to put up these two shelves. I marked a hole. I want this one about right here and this one about right there. So I marked a hole for one of them and then I'm going to put that in and then I can figure out level from there. There.
Okay, can I just ask you to do a favor?
What?
Go carefully when you go through the drywall, because if there's a pipe behind there and you push with that level, it will potentially drill right through it. Or like a wire or something. That's how I almost was that myself. We were doing that faucet. Bad things about those things. Those are so big. Those ones that came with it.
Yeah.
I almost wonder if you just
Should I use
keep
the other
using
ones?
the good ones because they're a little smaller.
Smaller.
You want to get a knife and
That's really bad.
cut that away.
It's gonna cover a good portion of it. So I'll repeat that for the next one and I'll show you the results. If you find my videos useful or entertaining, please click like and subscribe. Thank you.